So hello student friends, welcome to this lecture series on digital techniques or say digital electronics. So in the last lecture we had discussed very important point of JK flip-flop, that is working of the JK flip-flop for all four conditions. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, and for all these four conditions different output of this JK flip-flop is being observed, right? So just to recall again, 0 0, so just to recall, for 0 0, if it is JK, there is no change, right? Your Qn is equal to Qn. For 0 1, it is reset, right? So your output Qn is always 0, where Qn bar is 1. For 1 0, it is set, means your Qn is 1, Qn bar is 0. Okay, and for 1 1, it is in the toggling, right? So when you provide this input 1 1 to this JK flip-flop, there is a toggling being observed. Now what is toggling? Toggling means the output of your JK flip-flop continuously switches from 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So it is continuously toggling. It's like this way. Continuously it is toggling. Okay. Now this we have seen for level triggered JK flip-flop. The previous working which we have seen is of this level triggered JK flip-flop. Okay, so when you provide say high level means, I am just magnifying this. Okay, so this is our clock pulse. I have just magnified this here. So this high level. Now your this toggling remains it is continuously toggling, right? So clock pulse is high and then you provide input as 1 1. In this case your JK flip-flop continuously toggles. Okay, so it starts from this point and to this point, unless your this high level does not becomes low. So once it becomes low means triggering is off. Okay, so until the level is high, your JK flip-flop for this 1 1 goes into toggling state. Okay, so nothing can be done. जब तक ये आपका पल्स कंप्लीट नहीं होता तब तक यहाँ पे टॉगलिंग चालू है. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, now your Q here is 0 and Q bar here is 1. ये कंडीशन तो सेटिस्फाई होता है, but it is continuously toggling. Okay, now that is again the drawback of JK flip-flop. Okay, so JK flip-flop has a limitation of this toggling condition. Okay, so we started with SR flip-flop. In the SR flip-flop, providing 1 1 was invalid. So in SR flip-flop, 1 1 state was invalid state. For JK, providing 1 1 means continuous toggling. It's like you just switch on a tube light and then tube light is continuously toggling. It's on off on off on off. Now just imagine, will you be able to work in that situation? Either what you have to do is either switch off the tube light, or you can switch on some other bulb, or probably you can change the tube light if it's not working properly. But just look at that condition. You come into the room and you switch on the tube light and then it is continuously toggling. Okay, so even that is also should not be the case. Okay, so in this JK flip flop, this condition, the toggling condition, is called as race around condition. Race around condition. Okay, so this is the drawback or limitation of JK flip flop. Now, in SR flip flop, this was invalid state where we converted this SR flip flop to JK flip flop, right? Overcoming this invalid state. Now, still we encounter another limitation or another drawback. Now, we need to overcome this limitation or overcome this drawback. Now, how are we supposed to do that? Is by using master slave flip flop, or what can be done. Now look at here, our JK flip flop gets triggered at this point and remains on till this point, right? It remains on till this point. What if we provide triggering at a very particular point? अब ये पॉइंट पे ट्रिगरिंग हो गया तो जेके फ्लिप फ्लॉप अपना अपना काम करेगा. ओके, इतनी देर तक वो रुकेगा नहीं, उसको सिर्फ ट्रिगर करके छोड़ देने का है, राइट? सो इट कैन बी, this race around condition can be avoided by using edge trigger JK flip flop. Now this edge trigger can be either positive or negative, as we have seen in some previous video lectures. Okay, so by using, so if a question is asked that what is race around condition, you have to say that for level triggered JK flip flop, when the condition 1 1 is given, the JK flip flop goes in continuous toggling state. Okay, so that condition is called as race around condition, and race around condition can be avoided either by using this master slave JK flip flop, okay, or by using this edge triggered JK flip flop. So that is what in today's lecture we are going to see. Edge triggered JK flip flop. Okay, now you can see working of this edge triggered JK flip flop is same as level triggered JK flip flop. Here it's only the matter of triggering. आप उसको ऑन कैसे कर रहे हो, right? The output of edge trigger JK flip flop changes only for positive or negative spike. Okay, so it does not change for this, it only change for this. So this particular spike, अब वो ट्रिगर करके उसको छोड़ दिया है. ओके, तो फॉर ऑल दिस कंडीशन 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, नाउ योर जेके फ्लिप फ्लॉप विल वर्क वेरी प्रॉपरली. तो जैसा चाहिए वैसा वो वर्क करेगा. ओके, so that is what we have written here. It overcomes one drawback of level triggered JK flip flop, which is called as race around condition. Right? Now let us see the diagram of this edge triggered JK flip flop. Okay. Now we need to provide that circuit of edge triggered JK flip flop. So this is clock pulse, this is, if you remember, this is one input, this can be said as G, this can be said as K, and this is feedback. Okay, so since we are looking for JK flip flop, this is preset, this is clear, So feedback here is given. Okay, so this feedback is given here, correct, and this feedback is given here. Okay, so this is Q, this is Q bar, this is preset, this is clear, here our clock pulse, this is J and this is K, here we can say this is E, C, R, diode, this is another R, so these are grounded, this is K, this is also grounded. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this becomes the circuit of edge triggered JK flip flop. Now how it is identified being edge triggered is with help of this circuit diagram. This we have seen in few previous lectures. Right, now here it will operate same as it is written here. Edge triggered JK flip flop is same as level triggered JK flip flop. So the output here remains same. For 0 0 it is no change, for 0 1 it is reset, for 1 0 it is set, and for 1 1 it is toggling. It is toggling but not continuously toggling. Right, now it is not continuously toggling. Okay, it will be toggle only when you would provide that spike. So this spike, so if you are using positive, then it would toggle only at these spikes, otherwise it will not. Okay, so this is how the limitation of JK flip flop of race around condition is eliminated by using edge triggered JK flip flop. Right, so this circuit which we have just now drawn is of positive edge triggered JK flip flop. You can even try this for negative edge triggered JK flip flop. You know what change you need to do. It's very minor change. If you do, then that circuit can be converted into negative edge triggered JK flip flop. Okay, so how is the symbol for this? The symbol for this can be drawn. So this is our preset, this is clear, Q bar, this is J, now this is edge triggered, this is CK, this is K. Right, so this is JK flip flop. Now here this arrow indicates that it is a edge triggered JK flip flop, positive edge, and for negative edge I'll just draw here. Other all remain same. Here only this bubble is encountered. Right, so this bubble means this is negative and this is positive. Otherwise the circuit the symbol for JK flip flop remains same. I hope you understood this concept of race around condition and JK flip flop. Okay, so in the next lecture we'll come up with another type of flip flop, that is D flip flop and T flip flop, delay flip flop and toggle flip flop. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you.